I have been waiting to get a pair of these forever. This is a 36-inch set of double log tongs, and they're rated for 3,300 pounds. So we're gonna go try to grab those logs over there and see how they do. Oh, Dad! Like, if you have it in the right orientation, you don't even have to put it on there. It just grabs it. Oh, that was awesome. All right, so that's not the limit of the log tongs, but that's way more than my loader's rated to lift. So we're gonna cut a piece of this log off. The way these teeth grab into that log, you don't have to worry about the log rolling back off of your forks. But yeah, this is one of those things where you don't have to spend a crap ton of money on them. The VEVOR ones are really nice. They come with these heavy duty bolts. And I like that it's a swivel. Some of them don't have the swivel on there. I really like the swivel. It just makes it way more versatile. Let me know what you think about these. I'm definitely glad I got the doubles and not the singles. It just basically doubles your gripping power. And if you want to check these out, I'll have them linked down right at the bottom of the video.